early. I'm about to wake up Jane. I actually feel worse today than I have the other 2 days because now I have a runny nose and a really bad cough along with the sore throat and the ears. So Chris is going to stay home today from work and I'm going to go to the doctor because I need to get some relief. Even if this is a cold, I need to get some sort of medicine for this. But I wanted to show you guys that Tinsel, the elf, showed up at our house today. There she is. She wrote a little note to Jackson and Jane and brought them candy canes. So I want you guys to see Jane's reaction when she sees the elf. I wanted to film it for you guys, so I'm gonna go get her now.
All right. Elf, the Tinsel is here. I'm going down to see her.
Remember, you can't touch her, okay?
Okay.
You can just look at her.
Look at her. Wow.
You see her?
Yeah. So
Come over here. Huh? What? You can't hold her. You can just say hi. She wrote you a note.
Yeah.
Hang on one second. Let me show you. She said, see this note? She said, "Hello, Jane and Jackson. My name is Tinsel, and Santa sent me here from the North Pole. I'm here to keep an eye on you, and from now until Christmas, to make sure you're being a good girl and a good boy. I brought some of my favorite candy, and I hope you like it too. Love, Tinsel." Do you like candy canes? I brought you candy canes.
Wow.
What do you say?
Thank you, Tinsel. So I'll open it.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm out of the house and getting ready to go into the doctor's office. I'm feeling a little bit better. My throat doesn't hurt as bad, but I feel like this is how it was yesterday morning, and then last night it was absolutely terrible. I could hardly sleep. My throat hurt so bad. So I'm here mainly just to hopefully get some medicine or some sort of relief from my sore throat. And I have a feeling I won't be able to breathe through my nose soon, so hopefully I can get some medicine for that too. Even if it's just a cold, at least I'm getting some medicine. So that is the plan, but I'll update you guys when I get out of here. Alright guys, I'm out of there, and I have a cold, kind of what I figured, but I'm glad that I came because I don't feel good, and she recommended some medicine for me to take, so hopefully I can start taking that and feel better soon. Although she said this will probably last 2 more days, so that stinks. And I really hope the kids and Chris don't get this, but I'm glad to know that it's not anything like strep throat or the flu or anything. I kind of veered off from the flu after that first day just because I was able to get up out of bed, and I just didn't feel like it was the flu, but I still was questionable about strep throat. But she said she didn't swab me for strep throat, but she said she's like 95% sure that it wasn't strep throat. And if I wanted to come back in later to get swabbed, I could, but since I have a runny nose now and like drainage in my throat and cloudy ears, she just doesn't think it's strep throat. So I'm gonna go home now and hopefully get some rest and feel better. All right.
Wow, these look so special.
Today is December 1st, which means Jane and Jackson get to start opening up their presents from their Advent bag. Mimi makes them Advent bags each year. So here are their big bags, and in those bags there's 25 bags, 1 bag for each day. So they get to open up.
This isn't an elf from the show.
Yeah, it's an ornament. Look at Jackson, he's about to crawl any minute. Look, has their names on it. All right, so Jackson has his. What happened? You're okay. Okay,
You
sit
want a
down.
present?
Okay, Jackson has his and Jane has her.
What is it? What is it?
What is it?
I know.
Look. Wow, an activity book. Will you help Jackson open his? Here, this is Jackson's.
What's that?
He likes your tissue. Wow, Santa rubber ducky. Give it to Jackson. It's Jackson's.
Does he talk?
No, he doesn't talk.
No, this is Jackson.
Give it to Jackson.
This is mine.
What do you think, buddy? Wow. He's really interested in the paper. Look at your ducky.
Hop into the outside, the mom.
Windy and rainy. All right, guys. The kids are up from their nap. We wanted to try to go get a Christmas tree again today, but I think we just decided that maybe we'll wait until tomorrow. I hate putting it off, but I guess today is only December 1st, so even if we get it tomorrow, it won't be too late. But my thing is, you take it down soon after Christmas, so and that's only 25 days of December. So you gotta hurry up and get up so you can enjoy it. But instead, we're gonna make Jane's mini Christmas tree. I bought her I think it's like 4 feet, a 4-foot Christmas tree, and I'm pretty sure it's pre-lit. I bought it at Michael's for $20 and thought that she could put it in her room with some ornaments that aren't breakable. And then probably next year, when Jackson's old enough, we'll probably just put this tree upstairs in their playroom, and that could be like their little Christmas tree. So we're going to put this together for Jane because she's been asking about a Christmas tree for days. And since I'm still not feeling very good, seems like today is going the same direction as yesterday, where I feel okay in the morning, and then as the day goes on, I feel worse and worse. So anyways, we are going to put this little tree together for Jane. And then hopefully tomorrow, if I'm feeling a little bit better, we can go out and actually find our tree, because Chris will need help like bringing the tree in and everything. So with the way I'm feeling today, I probably wouldn't be a big help. So all right, are we ready?
Are you ready, doll?
And Jackson's over there somewhere on the floor.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry Jane has no pants on. We just haven't put any pants on her today.
Sometimes you gotta look at the tree. Back up.
She's tried to open this box multiple times. There's like little rips on the side. So she's very excited about this. Here it comes. Look, Jane. Jane, come here. What do you think? Look at mommy. You think what?
Is this our family tree?
No.
But just look at here, it looks great.
No. We're gonna get a ginormous tree. That one's going in Jane's room. We will get the ornaments out probably tomorrow when we get our tree, or maybe even the next day. So she'll just have that in her room with the lights on tonight, and then when we get the ornaments down, we'll decorate it. But what are y'all doing?
I got our spot. Ready? Anna missed me yesterday.
Mm-hmm. She always does. Whoa.
River just wants to be by me. He's just competitive. He just wants what his sister has.
Oh, Jane, don't kick.
Ooh, y'all stink like shrimp.
All right, guys, it is 7:40. Do you see my eyes? This eye over here is really red. I feel like I have something in it. It's like fuzzy, like maybe like a booger or mucus or something. I know that's gross, but you know when you have something in your eye, like especially when you wake up, and I can't find it, I can't get it out, and my eye itches, and it's fuzzy, like I can't see that good out of it. I'm assuming it's from this cold, which stinks, but I also look terrible. Sorry, my hair is a mess too. Jane and Daddy are taking a bath. I'm about to give this guy a bath, and look at this house. So we have a lot of cleaning to do before bed. We had a good day today. I'm so thankful that Chris works at a job that he can stay home if needed. Whenever I am sick, as long as he doesn't have like a major important meeting at work, like actually in the office, then most of the time he can work from home if he needs to. Obviously he doesn't get as much work done as he would if he was in the office, because there's a lot of distractions, especially if I am sick and I need his help a lot. but he's still able to do a lot of emails and even like step away to do a phone call or two here and there. So, like I said, very thankful because I know not everyone has that. A lot of jobs require you to go into the office or to the store or wherever they work. Hey, don't look so grumpy. Hope you guys had a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. 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 Shh.